How to fix chat message limit reached on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix chat message limit reached on your TikTok. So let us just start. First, open up your TikTok. After you open your TikTok, go to your profile that's on the bottom right. And after you are there, tap on the three lines on the top right. After you tap on it, go to settings and privacy. After you're there, scroll down, and after you scroll down under cache and cellular, you will see free up space. Tap on free up space, and here you will see your cache data, your downloads and drafts. Now here you will need to clear your cache, so just tap on clear and clear it. After you clear it, check if your problem has been fixed. If it's not fixed, then what you'll need to do is simply go to your settings, scroll down to general, and after you're on general, just go to iPhone storage, and under your iPhone storage, search for TikTok. So just go to your TikTok and offload the app. After you offload it, reinstall it and check if the problem has been fixed. If that does not fix your problem, just go to your TikTok again, tap on the three lines, go to settings and privacy, scroll down all the way and log out from your account and log back in. So doing these steps should fix your problem, but if it does not fix your problem, all you can do is wait for 24 to 48 hours and then your problem will get fixed. So that is basically how you fix a problem, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.